What is up, my dudes? So today we are starting a day off on the beach, trying to commit suicide or something. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, that's a little. Oh crap! Oh shit! Oh no. Well, I died anyway. But as you can see, guys, I'm on. I'm just gonna chilling today. Just a video for fun. I lost my jetpack, I think. Yep, I did. I'm gonna show you one secret thing that I found. Let's just pretend, my dudes, that I'm running from the cops, okay? Aw, I'm hiding. Where should I hide? Right here. That's the perfect spot. That's the best spot in the whole world, right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. But anyway, my dudes, I'm gonna show you guys where this hidden helicopter is. I'm gonna show you where all helicopters are located. So off the first one, I'm gonna show you. I might need a boat for this one. So let's just head down to the beach. Who cares about that? Let's just head down to the beach. And there'll be a boat there, I assume. Let's go, my dudes. That's too long. I can't walk. Need help, my dudes. The first one is located. I'm gonna risk my life for this one, okay, guys? Cause I am gonna die here. See, warning, danger zone. I am attacked. Crap. Uh-oh. No, guys, I don't want to die. I'm risking it. I'm running. Woo! My dudes. As you can see, this helicopter's right here. That's one of them. Yikes. What'd I do? Oh! I can't not drive this. I'm sorry, guys. I cannot drive helicopters. But as you can see, that's the first hidden helicopter. I died. I told you guys I was gonna. I'm not going there. Never my life. Let's just take this police speedboat. It's really slow. Now the second one, I believe we were close to it, and now I couldn't. The second one is gonna be right here in this place right here. I'm gonna risk my life for this one too. It's a warning, danger zone. Woo. I'm gonna just take this boat. Oh yeah, I was driving in this boat last time, and my boat was cracking up, so I drowned. There's a submarine there. The second one, you can see the second one right there, right here. Let me get in a little closer. You are being attacked. It says right there, my dudes. I told you. Where am I? Huh? Does this thing have ammo? Yep, it does. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, I have to die. But as you can see, run for it. Run for it. Run for it. Run for it. The second one is right here. You see the helicopter, right? Woo! This is BC4I5. Uh-oh, I cannot drive this. I'm sorry, guys. I cannot drive helicopters. I have to put it down. It's better with my car. Okay, now I'm gonna show you where the third one is located, and I'm gonna die. Let's go. Making my way downtown. It's like third one is, I believe, is. Here, I'll just show you. I didn't know how to say this. It is right here, guys. It is in the helicopter. Guess where it is? Oh, yes, I found a ladder. Let's just go up it. And there's a helicopter right there, guys. Right there. That you can actually drive. But I don't want to drive it. I'll just die. Okay, now I'm going to show you where the... Hold on. 1, 2... The fourth one is located. You want to go over here at the police station. Yeah, just go in this place right here. I'm a single missions. Trying to find these helicopters for you, my subscribers. I just guys name you Team Alfonso. No, Team something. I'm just gonna name you Team. It's like, I'm gonna name you the best person in the world. As you can see, there's a line right there. Right there. You want to jump, or you'll get stuck like this. This is what I mean. Okay, now I'm stuck. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. What am I supposed to do? Woo! I'll be back to you guys when I'm back, okay? I'll just be... Hold on. Hold on. Can I pause this video? No, I can't. Oh, that just sucks. I'm gonna have to find a way out. Just finish it. You guys saw the helicopter, right? Alright. Now let's move on to the fifth. I'm just gonna repeat the police one, okay? For you. If you guys now see the helicopter, just busy watching me, my beautiful face. Excuse me. Just move around away. And let's did you guys see the police one? I'm pretty sure you guys didn't. That guy just put the bet. Where your dad? Here. Let's get out of here. I know where I'm going. Oh my god, I made it, my dudes. Okay, let's go to the police one again. Guess where it is? Oh yeah. Oh, let's just go to a police station. A wonderful day. Let's just get away from that cop. And let's just... Oh, stairs. Let's go up these stairs. I wonder what's up here. And then you want to be like, oh, more stairs. What's up here? Oh, a ladder. Let's go up here. Like that. Now you want to see the thing that I got stuck in. You want to jump. And then there's the helicopter that I have to put down right now. Yeah. Please go down. Alright, let's move on to the fourth one, my dudes. Just take this. Is that my grandpa right there? Oh, that kind of looks like my grandpa. But anyway, let's go. This one is the best one on earth. Trust me, people. You want to go over here. I'm going to crash this dude. And then... well, hold on. You guys might need a... Actually, you guys don't. But if you guys want to use a jetpack, that's fine with me. Get out my way. I don't like noobs like you. Go. Please get out my way. Please. Or you're dead. Are you serious? Both of you are not out of my way. You guys are gonna die if you don't guys get out of my way. Yeah, they're dead. Where's this ladder? Okay, there's a ladder right here, you guys. You see? Let's just go up this ladder. You're probably feeling. Oh my god. I'll be back to you guys. After I commit suicide. This hidden helicopter. It's actually very hidden. It's over here. We just gotta find the ladder to it. Let's go. Oh my god, there's no ladder. Where is the ladder? Let's take this ladder. Let's go this ladder. Yeah. You're probably feeling. Let's go to this ladder. Oh, there's another ladder right there. Let's go up this one. What's up there? And boom, a helicopter. Right there. Right there. See the helicopter, people? You guys see it. You can drive it too. But I'm not driving it. It's evil. I can't drive it. But and after that, you want to commit suicide like this. And you died. Anyway, my dudes, I'm not gonna end this video because I still have something else to do. I'm gonna show you guys 3 hidden places. I don't care. I don't care if my phone's about to die. I'm not ending this video. As you can see, I told you guys the first one. It was down here. Down here. Right there. You see it right there? And the next one, you know what? You know what, people? You know what? I'm going to end this video. I hope you guys subscribe to this channel. And comment down below if you like this video. Actually, don't comment that. Comment down below. Hashtag I subscribe. And you will get yourself a free money. You guys will get free money on this. What's this game called? Block City Wars. Yeah. But anyway, please stop. Stop.